Do you want to share your memories to your stories on Facebook? It's very easy to do. So let's go to our Facebook, and you're going to go to the three bars at the top left-hand corner, and you're going to go ahead and click on Memories. So with Memories in Facebook, it doesn't allow you to share every single memory as a story. You can share it as a post. So you do have another option, but from this point, you can filter through and share certain things to your stories. So as you see here, a recap, I can share that as a story. But let's keep scrolling and go ahead and find a post that I can actually share as a story. As you see here, as a story from a year ago. And if we were to share this as a story, it will give you the option to share a story. Even the one below this, you can actually create a story from this as well. So what we're going to do is go ahead and share a story. And it will give you a timestamp for a memory. And then from that point forward, you would share it like a typical story that you would on Facebook. So go ahead and hit share, posting story. And then within a couple seconds, we'll be able to go on our page, and you see it at the very top here. It says your story. And now your story has been shared because it was a memory and it gave you the option to share it on Facebook. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to share your memories to your story